Welcome to Workforce Workshop, where we dive into the strategies that shape business growth and work dynamics.
I'm your host, Shiraz Kelly, and today we're tackling a vital subject for every business leader:
Business confidence and hiring practices. We'll explore how these elements are not just shaping but also defining our business landscape in this new era. So buckle up, because I've got some insights you won't want to miss. The state of business confidence. Let's set the scene. Business confidence isn't just a feel-good factor. It's a crucial gauge of economic health, impacting everything from investment to employment. Post-negative 2024 election, with Donald Trump's administration promising pro-business policies, there's a wave of cautious optimism. Here's what's happening: uncertainty and strategy. Businesses are moving from reactive to strategic, planning for multiple scenarios to avoid being blindsided by policy shifts. While uncertainty still lingers, companies are leveraging data analytics and scenario modeling to build resilience. How does this work in practice? Consider integrating risk assessments into your quarterly reviews and engaging with policy experts to align your strategies. Proactive strategy implementation can reduce risk exposure. Are your operational plans ready for rapid execution? Investment decisions. Confidence drives investment. Now's the time to think about where your money goes, whether it's in tech, expanding your operations, or R&D. How do these align with potential policy changes? For example, businesses adopting green energy initiatives may benefit from emerging incentives. Are you staying informed about subsidies or tax credits? Diversifying investments into future-ready technologies like AI and IoT can yield long-term benefits. Market perception. Your confidence can shape how the market sees your business. Clear communication about your foresight can make all the difference with stakeholders and customers. Think about creating transparent quarterly updates to share your roadmap, demonstrating that you're prepared for the evolving landscape. Enhanced public relations strategies can strengthen your brand's market image. Additionally, the global market is reacting to geopolitical tensions and technological advancements. Maintaining a proactive stance and addressing these shifts directly with your stakeholders can enhance both trust and market positioning. Consider these dynamics as you chart your course forward. The hiring landscape. Now, let's shift gears to hiring. The story here is fascinating, with industries either pausing or accelerating their hiring based on expected policy impact. Sector-specific growth. Sectors like construction, engineering, and cybersecurity are ramping up due to anticipated benefits from infrastructure and deregulation. Are you in one of these sectors? Now might be your moment to grow your team. Think of infrastructure investments as a signal to focus on hiring project managers and skilled tradespeople. Cybersecurity, specialists in cloud security and threat intelligence are in demand. Leverage emerging markets to find untapped talent pools in your sector. Flexibility in employment. The trend is moving towards temporary or contract staff, offering businesses agility to scale operations up or down as needed. Leveraging staffing agencies can streamline this process while reducing the overhead associated with full-time hires. Have you explored this model? Flexible staffing models also enhance the ability to manage seasonal demand fluctuations. Focus on skills. It's no longer just about degrees. It's about what candidates can do. This opens your hiring pool but requires rethinking your criteria. Implement skills-based assessments and job simulations to ensure candidates have the expertise to meet your needs. Consider partnerships with bootcamps and vocational schools for targeted recruitment. Remote work implications. Hybrid and remote work models are becoming staples in the hiring landscape. Employers are learning to adapt to these new expectations. Are your job roles flexible enough to attract top talent? Consider technology upgrades and training to support remote work effectively. Remote roles also allow businesses to expand their reach to international talent pools. With the advent of AI tools in recruitment, companies can now streamline their hiring processes. These tools enable better candidate matching and reduce time to hire. However, it's crucial to balance automation with a personalized approach to maintain a human connection in recruitment. The human element. Beyond strategies and numbers, let's not forget the human side of business. Transparency. Employees need to know how their roles might evolve. Communicate your vision to build trust and loyalty. Town hall meetings, regular team updates, and clear messaging can bridge the gap between uncertainty and clarity. Transparent policies also improve employee retention and satisfaction. Invest in growth. Upskilling and reskilling are not just beneficial, they're necessary for keeping your workforce ready for future changes. Initiatives like internal training programs or partnerships with educational platforms can provide continuous learning opportunities. Consider introducing mentorship programs to pair experienced employees with newer hires. Company culture. In today's job market, your culture can be your competitive edge. Are you creating an environment that champions innovation and adaptability? Employee engagement surveys and diversity initiatives can foster a workplace that values each team member's contributions. Highlighting success stories within your team can inspire further innovation and motivation. Mental health and well-being. Addressing the well-being of your workforce is critical for long-term success. Offer flexible work schedules, mental health resources, and wellness programs to create a supportive environment. Regularly assess employee satisfaction through anonymous surveys. Additionally, fostering leadership at all levels can significantly impact morale and productivity. Empower your team with decision-making capabilities and encourage mentorship opportunities to nurture future leaders within your organization. Looking ahead. What's next for business confidence and hiring? Here's what I see. Stabilization. As policy directions clarify, expect a rise in business confidence, leading to more stable investment and hiring. Stay agile. Companies that can adapt quickly will be better positioned to seize opportunities. Monitor economic indicators to adjust strategies promptly. Strategic hiring. It's going to be about quality hires that add value, not just filling positions. Use advanced tools like AI-driven talent acquisition systems to identify candidates who align with your long-term vision. Prioritize roles that directly contribute to revenue growth or cost reduction. Local talent. With potential shifts in trade, leveraging local talent could become more pronounced, boosting regional economies. Collaborate with local educational institutions to create talent pipelines tailored to your industry's needs. Engage in community events to enhance your employer brand. Technological integration. Automation and AI will increasingly shape hiring practices, improving efficiency while maintaining a personal touch. Are you ready to integrate these technologies into your HR processes? Explore AI for employee engagement and retention analytics. Furthermore, businesses that embrace sustainability and social responsibility in their operations will likely see enhanced brand loyalty and employee retention. Aligning hiring practices with these values can attract a new generation of socially conscious workers. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember, navigating business confidence and hiring in today's economy isn't about just surviving, it's about thriving. Every challenge is an opportunity for innovation and growth. Take one actionable step from what we've discussed today, whether it's refining your hiring strategy or investing in your team's development. Thank you for being part of Workforce Workshop. Remember, the future is ours to shape. Keep building, keep innovating, and keep listening for more insights that will push your business forward. Until next time, stay proactive, stay informed, and stay confident in your vision. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and review our podcast. Your feedback fuels our content. If there's something you want us to cover, let me know in the notes below. See you next episode.